This week we're learning about the letter V. So I'm going to be reading to you my V sound box. To Addy from Miss Heather. You're my favorite daughter, but don't tell the other kids.
Addy, that's not true.
Thanks, Miss Heather. Little V had a box. I will find things that will begin with my V sound. V, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little V found violets. All kinds of very pretty violets. She put some violets into a vase, and then she put the vase with the violets into her box. Next, little V found a piece of velvet, a very pretty velvet. She made a velvet vest. She put it on and pinned on a velvet bow. She put the velvet all around her box. What a very pretty box, she said. Little V found a veil. It was made of lace. Oh, she said, I can make something with my violets and velvet and lace veil. Do you know what little V made? She made valentines, very many valentines. Hey. Then she found a valentine verse. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. She wrote the verse on her valentines. Then she filled her box with valentines. She pasted valentines all around the box. But some valentines fell out. What shall I do with all these valentines, she said. I will send the valentines to my friends. Then little V had a very good idea. She wrote another verse on each valentine. Come to my party at 1 for Valentine's Day fun. She put the valentines into envelopes. She put her friends' names and addresses on the envelopes. There were very many. Little V got into her van and drove to the mailbox. When little V got back home, she got out the vacuum. She used the vacuum to clean up the scraps of velvet and valentines. On Valentine's Day, her friends came to her party. Each one brought valentines. Little V and her friends made valentine hats. They put on their valentine hats and played some games. Then they opened the valentines. Valentine hats, velvet vest, little V, a vase of violets, a valentine cake. What fun they had at the Valentine party! There's a Valentine placemat, velvet runner, Valentine box. I wish it was Valentine's Day. Can you read these words with little V? Violin, vegetables. Okay, I don't know how you would break up that word. It's a little tricky. Volleyball, vine, vinegar, volcano, vitamins, vampire, valley.
Good job, Addy.
The end.
Thank you.